Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk, broke, frustrated, and thinking about quitting everything.
God.
Your bank balance shows just $72 left. But in less than 4 weeks, you're staring at a PayPal notification, $10,932. And here's the crazy part. All of it came from just one digital product, no inventory, no shipping, no employees, just one idea that changed everything. Meet Jake, a 27-year-old from Ohio, stuck in a dead-end job earning just enough to cover rent, tired, burned out, and doom-scrolling through make money online videos every night. He wasn't some tech genius, he wasn't rich, and he had zero social media following, but he had one thing that most people ignore: a small skill in the hunger to escape the 9-to-5 trap. One evening, while helping a friend fix a simple Excel problem, Jake had an aha moment. People actually struggle with this. What if he packaged his knowledge into something simple, something they could instantly download? That was the seed of his first digital product, a straightforward, step-by-step Excel automation guide that saved people hours of work. No fancy website, no massive following, just a PDF he wrote in a week. He priced it at $29, uploaded it to Gumroad, and started answering questions in Reddit threads, LinkedIn groups, and small Facebook forums. Every time someone asked, "How do I fix this Excel thing?" he didn't just reply, he pointed them to his guide. For 3 days, silence, no sales. He doubted himself, thought maybe it was a stupid idea. But on day 4, his phone buzzed. Sale, $29. Then another, then another. By the end of the week, Jake had made $486.
Oh my God.
Not life-changing yet, but undeniable proof. He doubled down, realizing people don't just buy information, they buy shortcuts. He expanded his PDF into a short video course for $49 and a bundle version for $79. Still no ads, no marketing budget, just one powerful strategy: content that solved real problems. He posted short tutorials on YouTube Shorts and LinkedIn, ending every clip with, "Want to save hours? Grab my guide here." And then it happened. Sales exploded. In just 3 weeks, he made over 370 sales.
Oh my God.
By day 28, Jake refreshed his PayPal account. $10,932 from one product, one idea, 1 month. And here's the takeaway. You don't need a massive following. You don't need a fancy startup. You don't need thousands of products. All you need is one skill, packaged into a digital product that solves a painful problem. Today, Jake still sells that same product, and every month it brings him consistent income while he sleeps. So the next time you tell yourself, "I need $1 million idea to succeed," remember Jake's story.
Oh my God.
He didn't invent the next Facebook. He didn't build an app. He just solved a problem with one digital product, and in 28 days, he earned more than most people make in 6 months. What's stopping you from turning your skills into a digital product? Maybe your $10,000 month is closer than you think.